Title of the story: The Egg, Potato, and Coffee Bean. The story: One day, a little boy named James was crying to his father about all of his problems in life. James's father patiently listened, and then brought over a bowl with a potato, an egg, and some coffee beans in it. He asked James to touch and feel the ingredients in the bowl, and talk about what they felt like. James described how each ingredient felt. His father then smiled and asked James to put them all in different bowls and pour water on them. His father then let each bowl boil for a few minutes. Once cooled, James's father asked him to touch the ingredients once again and feel the egg, potato, and coffee beans. James described them differently this time. He said the potato skin was easy to peel, the egg had hardened, and there was a fresh coffee smell coming from the beans. Listening to James, his father smiled and told him how the potato, egg, and coffee beans each reacted to an adverse situation differently. The potato became soft, the egg turned strong, and the coffee beans changed their form completely during their time in the boiling water. The moral: we will all face adversity and problems in life. What is important is how we react to those problems and how we let them change us. It is important to be strong during tough times and to learn to be resilient in the face of adversity.